I've been kind of fucking around with this for a while. I wanted to build a drone, so I built one. And I did buy this gimbal camera thing that's going to go underneath it, the self-stabilizing camera deal. It's not going to have that camera on. I'm waiting for a different camera to come. And that's the remote. But this thing will do a million different things, and I'm just trying to get it to do a few. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my camera away from it. And let's see if it works. Alright, there's my drone flying. Kind of just staying in one spot there. There's the remote on the ground over there. And this is a loiter mode it has on it. And it's all done by GPS. And again, I'm not even holding on to my remote. You see it on the ground there. I figure with that camera on there, that'll be pretty neat. It does move a little bit, but nothing too much. Well, yeah, I go out and walk around it, and it's just sitting there flying itself. And this will also do like follow me, return to land. I mean, with the board I got on it, it'll just do a lot of crap. But that's the drone, that's the remote.